Hello everyone, this is Vinay here from Learn Coding with Vinay, and this is video number 10, probably the last video of our video series where we are going over two most important topics of SQL: store procedures and join. So let's dive into this very interesting video. So in this video we are going to work upon creating a store procedure that returns us the required dashboard data, right? So being an admin or vendor or help desk guy, they in the application they will have some sort of dashboard, right? They on the dashboard they will have certain information. So what possible information can be there that I have listed over here? First is top 5 products by number of quantity sold, right? Then top 5 customer by revenue, and then yearly monthly revenue of a particular year. So let's build this store procedure one by one step at a time. So we'll say create procedure. We'll just say dbo dot, I'll just say simple usp underscore get dashboard. I'll give it name get dashboard. This would be procedure, right? And we'll take year as input so that even someone wants to see backdated years data, they can also see this. So we'll take year as an input, and let's work on the first part. So what do we have? We need products by total quantity sold, right? So here we need to involve perhaps two table only, or maybe, yeah, product, order header and order item, three table, right? So let's dive into it. So first what we'll be doing is we will work on the query that gives us, that will actually use three tables in joins, and that will give us the desired result, right? So let's take the, now where do we have product information in product table, we have order information in order header table, and order item information in order item table, right? And order item table will hold the detail of how many quantity were ordered, right? So here, because since we are deciding top 5 products by quantity sold wise, right? So we will have to uh, use these three table: product, order header and order item table, right? And we just need product name, product id, maybe product name, and total quantity sold, right? We can add revenue also, but that's okay as of now, just have this. So what we will be doing, first thing, let's try to let me take this table over here, right? Let me run this. Oh no, let's go over here first, right? Okay, so what we will be doing, so I just run this query to get the column names, right? So what we will be doing over here is get data from order item table, right? This would be from, then what we need, product id, and then sum of quantity, right, from order table, right? As of now, let me remove this. As of now, let's do this, just create this, right? So oh, here, sorry, I missed to say group by product id, right? So let me say control r, let me, okay, this got executed, store procedure got created. Now since we have not used your parameter as of now in where query, we should be able to run this as it is, right? So first thing is, we have the product numbers and we have the product counts, which is great, right? Now let me, I missed to set no count on first, it should be on. Now let me alter this query, right? And let me group by, and let me make this order by, we need to order it by quantity because the maximum quantity ordered products should be on top, and we just need top 5 of them, right? So Let me go ahead and alter the store procedure, and let's say if we get that right. Okay, I missed to write DESC, descending, right? So let me go ahead and run this now. So we have the product number 7 is 26 count, 22, 20, 20, 20, and 18, right? So basically product IDs are aligned according to the quantity were ordered, right? So far here we are not using any filter. We can have the filter of year also, where we can have the order date, as we can take out the year part of from the order date and we can compare it, right? So we can do that actually. Let me do that. So where we would say, uh, but for that we need to have inner join. Yeah, let me say inner join with order header table, order header table, and let me mark this OH. Let me mark this OI. Let me mark this OI dot. This should be OI dot, and inner join OH on OI dot order ID is equal to OH dot ID, and here it would be OI dot, and we will have where over here, where we will say date part. I have that thing ready. Let me just copy paste it. Actually group by should come after where. So year of OH dot order date, and we have order date and time actually is equal to year, then group by this, and if you remember, if you see this, there is a no column coming up because we haven't given any last name. And always, good practice says that your column should not have no column as the column title. If you are writing any query, every column should have a meaningful title. Quantity, total quantity. So let me do this. Let me alter this. Okay, so we have an issue. Let me quickly see. This is OI. Okay, OI. This is good. Okay, so we are missing on word over here for inner, for join. Right, great. Now let's pass this. So this will give the quantity count. Now we have data for 2025 only. So the result set in this case will remain the same even after applying the year filter, right? So this is the first result. But we need actually product name, right? The product name is not coming up. So what do we need to do? Again, we need to have inner join with dbo dot product. We need to have inner join dbo dot product. Let's say pd on oh, not oh actually, oi dot product id is equal to pd dot id, right? Because that's what we have as a column name. PD inner join dbo pro. Okay, I have a typo over here. Product, excellent. And here we will be adding pd dot product name, and the same thing we'll have to take it in the group by also, right? I'll remove the comma. Let me alter the store procedure. Great. Let me run the store procedure. So now we have product ID, product name, and total quantity. But currently we have all record. Let's make it top 5 only. Top 5. Or maybe we can plan to have top number as an input parameter also, right? So sometime you may want to display top 10, but that's something we are not doing right now, right? So we have these 5 products, top 5 products quantity wise, right? Now let's work on part 2. So part 2 is, so I'll just simply copy paste this query and we'll begin from there. So part 2 is top 5 customers by revenue. Okay, so top 5 customer by revenue. So definitely we need to have order item, order header, and instead of product This time we will have customer, right? And I would say cs over here. We will say cs dot name. We'll take cs dot name, and okay, here it will be oi dot not quantity. I would say, let's say, let's just take price, oi as total revenue from customer, right? What's the problem over here? Oi dot price. Okay, the comma was missing. We don't need product id. We can say cs dot id as customer id, right? So we will have to have, so this is good, we don't need this. So here we will have to have oh dot customer id is equal to cs dot id, right? And here it should be cs dot name. So this is quite similar, but here we are taking customer, and instead of quantity we are taking revenue, right? So sum of quantity we would not say, we will say this, right? Let me alter the stored procedure. Remaining things will, okay, we have custom id, email, select this, okay, because in the group by we still have this, we will have to have this cs dot id. Okay, now let's go ahead and run this, right? So we have top product with maximum quantity count, basically products with this time, this many times product were ordered, this many product quantity were ordered. And over here we have customer list where this customer has ordered worth value 7200, right? This guy has ordered 3570, something like this. So we have top products, we have top customers. Now let's work on the final query, which is monthly revenue. So we just want to display month wise revenue, right? So here let me also copy paste this only, and we'll have to, we don't need customer and product table over here, we just need order header and order item table, and from there we will begin. So we just need order item and order header, we don't need this, right? Okay, where here which is good. And this time group by we will have to say, uh, group by we will have to use actually, this one is bit tricky. So we will have to group by, not I would say date exactly, but we'll have to group by it month. Group by, we'll have to use group by month. So let me take this. First let's just try to display the information. So I would say, let's say month of oh dot order date time, right? Then we will have the sum of, right? So we will have sum of oi dot price multiply dot dot oi dot actually quantity, right, as total expense, or total, maybe for this admin guy it will be total, I'll say selling, or total sale, just total sale. Right, so this is good, this is good, this is good. Now we will have to order it group by using this, because we just need month name and revenue just beside, right? And order by, we'll be using order by this month number only. I hope this gives us the number, and we would say not descending, we would say just keep it ascending only. Okay. So let me go ahead and compile the stored procedure. Okay, it looks good, it's good. And now we have, since we have data for 7 and 8 month only. Okay, so a couple of things we can include. Right, so 7 we have no column, so this would be probably month number. Let's display month name as well. Let's use date and time and month name. As month name, this should be order date and time, right? And we will have to order also by this, otherwise it will give us the problem, right? We don't need to use it in order by, that's okay. Great. Right, so we have 7 month July, we had this much selling. We have 8 month August, we have this much selling, right? So this is an example of our, small dashboard application, dashboard page. And from the back end you can have, such stored procedure, right, that can bring multiple data. For example, this is first result set, this is second result set, and this is third result set, right? So we can have an SP that returns multiple result set, right? So this is an example of another store procedure variant, where we are not just returning single variable or single result set, we are here returning multiple result set, right? And one more thing, we made it general so that, this information can be brought for any year inputted, right? If you would have taken just the get date, if you would have taken just the get date, then it would display the data for the current year only, right? But by using this, we made it general, so anyone can use this for the back date and data also, right? So this is a very nice example of creating a dashboard stored procedure. And with this, that's in this video. And with this we are concluding this store procedure and join series. I hope you liked it, and if you found this and if you found this series, helpful, then don't forget to press the like button, subscribe my channel, right? And if you have any question, if you have any suggestion, feel free to write down in the comment section, as I would also love to, hear from you guys. So thanks a lot, and see you in some other video series. Thanks a lot, guys.